Welcome to Waqar Teaches video 14 about sample exam question 14, which is about simple interest. You'll find this in chapter 6, lesson 6 of your book, which is on page 281. Okay, so how do you find the interest when you measure interest in a simple interest way? First of all, we need to understand what interest actually is. So interest is money that is paid or earned for the use of money. What does this mean? When you give money to the bank, they will give you the money as a way of an investment for the money that you put into the account. So they will pay you to let them use your money. Or if you borrow money from someone, then you will give them more money back than you took. In Arabic, this is called riba, I think that's how you pronounce it. And simple interest is only paid on the money that you give or you take in the beginning, okay? And there's a very simple way to work out the amount of interest you will make. So we'll have interest is equal to the amount in the beginning. This is also called the principal. The principal amount. Okay, but it just means the amount you either took from the bank in the beginning or you put into the bank in the beginning. You multiply this by the interest rate, but you will put it as a decimal. So if you have 6%, you will write this as 0.06. You write it in the decimal form. And you multiply this all by the years that you will have the money in the account. So for example, how much is the interest? The interest, if you put 1,000 dirhams into the bank, the interest rate is 10%, so 0.10, and then the years is 6 years. So you multiply these numbers together, and the answer you get is 1,000 times 1 times 6. Yeah, so the interest on this investment will be 600 after 6 years. It's quite easy to see. Now let's have a look at sample exam question 14. Hopefully we can now quite easily figure out how to answer it. Okay, so question 14 says, what is the simple interest when 480 dirhams is invested at a rate of 5% for 3 years? So when we see the words simple interest in the question, we know that we must use this formula. So now let's try to find the numbers. So interest is equal to, what is the amount in the beginning? Have a look. In the question you can see when we invest 480 dirhams, so this is the original amount. So 480 multiplied by the interest rate. Remember, we write it in a decimal form, not as the percent the way it is. So here is the percent, and that's 5%. So we write this as 0.05. And then the time that we need in the years, time is 3 years. So we multiply this by 3. And the answer is 72. So the interest is 72 dirhams. And this is answer choice C. If you have any questions about this, please leave a comment below the video and I'll get back to you about it. Thanks.